Up in the cool hills of Tamarind Top, lived one goat named Rambo, but him different, seen? While outta goat busy chew grass and hid but zinc fence, Rambo always look up pon the clouds. If bird can flap, then me can fly, him say, flapping him ears like wing. The outta animals laugh every time. Look, there is not a goat, is one flying fridge. But Rambo never take it to heart. Him just dream bigger. One sunny morning, Rambo trot down to Auntie Blossom's cook shop, where pot always bubble and mouse always louder than stove. Auntie B, Rambo say, me need a pot cover for dumplings, and you bicycle bell. She nearly drop her spoon. You building plain or stew? Me building a dream, Rambo say. Auntie Blossom squint and grin. All right, but only if you bring back one piece of cloud finey tea. Rambo tied the pot cover to him back like wings, taped dumplings to each hoof. He said it helped with aerodynamic bounce, and hang the bicycle bell from him neck 5 GPS. The animals gather on Mango Hill, pig, parrot, even Miss Pearline with her rolling pin. Rambo shout, clear the landing strip. Rambo ready. Then him gallop fast up the bamboo ramp, and just like that, Rambo launch off the ramp like him in one rocket commercial. For half a second, yes man, half, him float like breeze. Parrot gasp, goat mouth drop open, him flying then, bap. Rambo bounce off one breadfruit limb, flip over 3 times like seasoned a key, and land splosh in Miss Pearline's water barrel. She bawl out, Rambo, me juice scrub the barrel, you mad goat. Rambo pop up with bell ringing and dumpling floating beside him. Me never reach the cloud, but me feel like rain. Later that evening, the animals crowd round Rambo at Auntie Blossom's shop. Him get a warm towel, a warm dumpling, and even a round of applause. Auntie Blossom sip hearty and wink. You might not get to fly, but you lift the whole village today. Rambo smile, shake off him wet tail, and say, next time, me try jetpack made from 2 hot patties and a ginger beer can. And that is the story of Rambo, the goat who could fly. Moral of the story: don't laugh at the goat with him dream one day. Him might fly past you yard and drop dumpling blessings from above. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you soon.